The following video will show you how to remove the stock fender flares on all 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacomas.
So we're going to start things off by removing our factory flares. Now we have some 10mm bolts along the fender well here that we're going to go ahead and remove with our 10mm socket on our ratchet. So you have 3 on the back side here. You should have 2 up top as well, and then another one up front here. Now our 2 up top aren't with us due to previous modifications and installs. Kind of lost their way, but yours should have that if you have factory flares on. So now that we have all of our hardware out, we can go ahead and pull our factory flare off. And we're just going to grab it by the bottom here and work it out of its slots. Just like so. Do the same thing around the whole flare. Now we have that out. We can go ahead and set our flare aside. So now you'll notice we have these clips on here from our factory flares. You can remove these if you want. The new flares will cover them without interfering with these for demonstration purposes, because ours will go back to factory. We're going to leave these in, but if you do wish to take these out, you can just use a clip removal tool and just pop these right out. They should come out no problem. So now we can go ahead and remove our rear flare, and for that you're going to have 3 bolts down at the back side here, just like your front, and then along the top you should have another couple bolts along here, and then your 3 up front, which you can see we only have 2. Again, previous installs and modifications, we've lost a few over time, but we're going to grab our 10mm socket on our ratchet and go ahead and get these out so we can remove our flare. Again, you should have your other 2 here. So again, just as with the front, we're going to go ahead and grab onto our flare here. And again, just popping this right off. And again, with our factory tabs, our new flare will not interfere with these. So we're going to leave those on for demonstration purposes because we're going to be returning this to stock. But if you wish to pop them out, again, just use a clip removal tool and just pop them right out.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.